But did you know that you can create a QR code with ChatGPT now? I didn't until just a little bit ago, so let's try this. Can you create a QR code for a website? Okay. WestTexasHub.com. Okay, so just create it. Just create it, please. Gotta be polite. Just create it, please. Okay, gone through this before. I don't see the link. I know that's spelled wrong, but good old ChatGPT can figure it out. Let's see where this takes me. Okay, there it is. QR code. Let's see if it works. You can't see what I'm doing, but I am putting my phone on it. And yes, it does in fact work. So let's try something else. To embed my logo. And I am going to add the image I wanted to do. So this one I've determined works best. I tried that one, but that one they don't work as well. So we're gonna do that. I really don't want it creating an image here because last time it did that, it did not work. So we're going to try stopping that. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and tell it doesn't work because I know it won't. Done this before. It's gonna tell me it's because it's a mock-up. Answer now. Come on, ChattyG. I'm obviously gonna remove a bunch of this quiet time, this little thinking time. I love using ChatGPT. I am a paid user. The $20 a month one. Oh, here we go. And it works great. It's the best 20 bucks I spend a month. Download. Save. And let's take a look at it. That looks pretty good. Let me check it and see if it works. Oh, yes, pops right up. Now, actually, I kind of like that. But I'd like my logo to be a little bit bigger in the middle. Let's see if we can do that. Let's see what it does. Do, 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 do. I will not finish that little riff because the people who have that, and you know who they are, they're very protective of that riff, and I don't want to get in any trouble. So let's see what that one does. We'll save. Better, better, better. I like it. Let's see if it works. Oh, it works. There you go. So you have to play with it a little bit. Sometimes you have to negotiate with ChatGPT a little bit. It does work. Let me try that. I just don't think it's going to work though. Nope, it does not. So if you do this and you see it creating an image on the screen that you're having to wait for, just know that it's not going to work. You want it to create something that you actually have to click on and download. Don't let it send you to some other sites like this. And know that when you first ask it to do it and it says, yes, I can, for whatever reason, it will tell you that it created it, but it didn't. There you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you enjoy using ChatGPT. I will speed this up so that it won't last almost 7 minutes. Keep coming back for more. This is Retha Off Grid signing off. Hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.